Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're ready to start. Install Google Calendar and sign in with your school Google account so events sync across devices. Once signed in, make sure Calendar Sync is enabled in your phone's account settings. This ensures class changes appear automatically. Next, set your default calendar to your primary school account and pick notification preferences so alerts aren't missed. Also confirm the time zone. Mismatched zones can move events. These first steps get your mobile calendar feeding live data and prevent missed up. Now you'll build your schedule. Tap the plus button to create events, choose the correct calendar, set accurate start and end times, and add a location so maps open fast. Once done, use repeat to make recurring classes or labs. This saves endless re-entry. Make sure to add guests for study groups and attach syllabi or assignments directly to events. Color code each class calendar to scan your week quickly. Using Meet links and attachments keeps everything in one place for smoother study sessions. Finish by reviewing week and schedule views to confirm there are no overlaps and that study blocks are visible. Once done, subscribe to your school or course calendars and share calendars with classmates for group planning. Make sure tasks or reminders are linked to the same account so deadlines appear in context, and enable offline access for planes or low signal. If events go missing, try a manual sync, clear the calendar app cache, or re-add your Google account. These steps fix most sync issues fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.